Hello to all my gorgeous people out there. It's Amina over here, and if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And today I've come up with my most favorite top 5 red lipsticks. I love red, and anything with red I absolutely love. So I have brought this video for you, and I had a difficult time to boil it down to just 5 because I love all my red lipsticks. So without any further ado, let's get started. Lipstick is from Maybelline, the Creamy Matte range. This is Divine Wine, and what a beautiful lipstick is this, and it is just for $2.99. Can you just see how much I've completed? Like, there is nothing more than this. So I'm just gonna swatch it for you. What a stunning red. It is a universal red, anyone can wear it, and this is a very deep maroon shade. This is a lipstick that is a one coat application. You can pair it up with a brownish reddish lip liner and it will give you that Hollywood look, but I don't apply it with a lip liner. I just apply it the way it is, and it is such a beautiful shade. It does transfer. It is a creamy matte consistency, so it does transfer. Like, can you see that? It does transfer. It's super long lasting until unless you eat something oily, it is completely gone, and if you're drinking something, it will transfer. As it says, it's a creamy matte. It is very creamy, and it is very, very comfortable to wear on the lips, not a difficulty at all. And for the price you're paying, what a fabulous lipstick. And Creamy Matte has some 32 lipstick shades you can choose from, and I just love these lipsticks. It's a super wearable red, and usually with dark colors they tend to stain your lips even after removing, but no, this does not stain your lips and it easily comes off. So it's perfect for any tea party or an occasion, or even to office. If you want to wear a red and go, this is perfect for you. But as I said, it is long lasting only till you don't eat or drink something. It will stay for a very long time on your lips. It won't budge, and it does not bleed, so it's a good thing. So the next lipstick is again from Maybelline, and this is the shade Midnight Date, and this is from the Loaded Bold range. And Maybelline's packaging is all the same, the standard traditional packaging, just that the lids keep changing. And this is from the Bold range, and so I'm just going to swatch it for you. This is a bold plum maroon shade, and it will look so good on a black dress if you're going out for a date night or a party night, and it looks so stunning. Lipstick cannot be applied on chapped or dry lips because it looks very, very cakey. You have to like nicely exfoliate your lips before applying. It will go into those nooks and corners. It's not flattering at all. This, if you're going to eat something, it's going to go away. It is just like the Creamy Matte range, but it's more matte than the Creamy Matte. This glides on very well, one coat application, and you can see how stunning this color is. It's perfect. It's one of the best lipsticks under 500. It's a mix of berry and maroon, and it is best for winters and fall. It look beautiful on a black dress. It will just make your lip pop, and that's what you need. So let's move ahead. So the next lipstick that I have is from Sugar Cosmetics. This is in the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick range. This lipstick is Aubergine Queen. This is in number 21. This is the packaging over here. I love the packaging. It's very, very unique. It has a lipstick shaped container inside this transparent box, and it's very sleek, very beautiful. Please use a lip liner for any liquid lipstick. It gives you that dimension and that beautiful lip. So I'm using this Kylie Jenner lip pencil. I don't remember the name. I got it like a year ago. Can you see what a beautiful, stunning color this is? This is an ox blood red lipstick. Oh my god, this lipstick is everything. This is so beautiful. I feel this is a perfect color for brides, and It's stunning. If a bride wants maroon, this is the perfect maroon a bride can go for. It is so beautiful. It is long lasting. It won't budge from your lips at all until unless you eat something oily. You'll have a butthole that is like, it will start fading from inside. But other than that, it has a long lasting power. Lipstick is not for people who have extremely dry lips. If you're having extremely dry lips, please prep your lips first, exfoliate them, use a good coat of lip balm, but not a heavy coat, otherwise lipstick won't sit properly. A very mild coat of lip balm, and then apply this. It won't budge, it's there to stay. It's such a beautiful color. And the beauty of this lipstick is you don't even feel like there is something on your lips. Usually when you use a liquid lipstick, you will feel like, you know, there's something on your lips. But this is so comfortable. It just gives you a feel of a normal lipstick, which is great, and it glides on beautifully, and it is very easy in applying. The applicator is really good for, you know, going to the corners and the edges of your lip. And what a beautiful lipstick. And the packaging, I love the packaging. It's so sleek. There is no sort of patchiness or stickiness in your lips. Like if I'm going to come close and I'm going to, it does not transfer, which is a good thing. I'm going to do this. There is no transfer at all. I love this about this lipstick, but again, there are the cons that I'm going to tell. You cannot remove this with your regular makeup remover. You need an oil based makeup remover, or else use coconut oil. It will come out easily. Be gentle on your lips. Don't keep rubbing it vigorously that it's not coming out. It won't come out easily. You gotta apply coconut oil or an oil based cleanser and keep gently rubbing it. It'll come out. It's such a beautiful lipstick, and it is perfect for brides who want maroon. It does not transfer, it does not budge. It'll be there. It is here to stay. It is literally the name, Smudge Me Not. Go ahead to the next lip. So the next lipstick that I have for you is from Chamber. What a packaging, but it just fell down and this separated, but the lipstick is still intact. And what to do? This is the Extreme Wear Chamber Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade 0406, and they never had names, but they came up with names which I'm very glad and happy about. This is name of 406 that they've given is Nocture, and I'm gonna like swatch that for you. I like what has this holographic effect on the print, which is beautiful. It is a sleek packaging. It's very thin. Can you see? It's so thin. It can just fit into your handbag. You can just go out of the door. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna line my lips and then use it. These lipsticks have a mousse-like consistency while applying. It is velvety smooth, and it doesn't even feel like, you know, you're wearing a liquid lipstick. It is very drying on the lips. If again you don't exfoliate them, your lips are chapped, won't look good. It's not flattering at all. But this is a stunning universal red. I feel like every girl can wear this red. It's so comfortable on the lips. It doesn't even feel like, you know, it is a liquid lipstick. And the only thing is, if you're going to eat anything oily, again it's going to go off from the inside, but not heavily. It is there to stay. It's that very sexy kind of shade, and I really love it. It's a very plum oxblood shade, and it is so beautiful. Yeah, and it says that it is transfer proof, which we will test right now. Yes, it does transfer very slight bit. It's not like a heavy transfer. You gotta allow this lipstick to dry and then apply a second coat if necessary. Yes, it is a bit patchy. It is not heavily patchy. It is bearable patchy, and you have to work in very well. And yes, you need a lip liner, otherwise it can go all over the face. But it does not bleed, and it is again very difficult to remove. So only oil based cleansers or else oil, coconut oil is the best for removing this lipstick. Please be gentle on your lips. It won't go off immediately. You need to work again in circles and sections to remove it. And it will last you easily 7 to 8 hours without budging. Only if you eat oily food, it will go off from the inner corners which again is not my concern. I can retouch it. If it's a beautiful lipstick, I am all in for it. So let's move on. So before telling anything about this lipstick, I just want to tell you that this is the most phenomenal lipstick, and you know, the red shade that every girl should own in their vanity, because this red is everything. It's like the perfect red. It's just the perfect balance of everything. I don't know what the creator did of this lipstick, but boom, it's magic. Hype is done. I'm talking Milani liquid lipstick in the shade Devotion. Look at the packaging. How stunning, how beautiful the packaging is. And this is in the shade Devotion. Yeah, this is in the shade 14 Devotion, and I'm gonna swatch it for you. It's an absolutely phenomenal color. Oh my god, I can't tell you how beautiful this color is. And it smells like cookies, bakery and pancakes, berries. Oh my god, this smells heaven. Okay, this lipstick smells heaven. I know it's expensive, but it's worth every penny, because this is the perfect red. I'm telling you, if a bride wants red, this is the perfect red. If she wants maroon, the other one which I said is the perfect maroon for any bride. But this, oh my god, this is the perfect red for any bride. Look no further, this is the perfect red for you. Each and every skin tone, this red is the most best and the most flattering lipstick. Oh my god, like, tell me something. What is this, Milani? What have you done? This is a deep red shade, and it is like the perfect red any girl can find. You should not look further. This is the most beautiful red, and this will stay on your lips forever. This will not budge until unless again you eat something oily. It will transfer the least amount. The only disadvantage about this lipstick is from your inner corners it will start crumbling up, and if you're going to eat something oily, it will go away from the inner corners again. And it will, if you're not going to eat anything oily, or you're not going to like drink anything hot, this won't budge from your lips for 5 to 6 hours. It is the perfect red. It is so beautiful. It is so comfortable on the lips. You can't even feel like there's anything on your lips, and it smells divine. It's like you just go like, oh my god. If you're gonna love food, you're gonna love this lipstick. Like, Milani has done the best job by making this lipstick, because this is the best in the entire world, I feel. According to me, this is the best red, and this is so beautiful. This is so stunning. I just love it. Can you see what I'm talking? This shade is 1 in a million. So that is it, guys. This was my top 5 red lipsticks / maroon lipsticks that I absolutely flip and love. These are the best according to me. If I have to go put on any red lipstick, I will not think further than this. I'll just pick out one of these 5 and apply. I'll be coming up with more fun videos. If you like this video, please do give it a like, comment and share it. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.